What's going on, everybody on YouTube? SVT Vasquez back at it with another video, back at it with another banger, man. In today's video, Ford told me that they could have fixed that for me, that they'll give me a carb legal air intake and they'll charge me $770. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's early in the morning. It's 6 in the morning right now here in California. As you could see, it's pretty dark and it's not good lighting. And I'm actually using my phone because I'm in a rush to get to the DMV. I didn't update you guys on this yet. Maybe I did mention it in one of my computer videos, but I'm having trouble passing smog, guys, and that's pretty common here in the Bay Area or in California in general. If you have any modifications to your cars, our smog laws are pretty hectic compared to all the other states in our country. So I'm up early in the morning to get to DMV. It doesn't open till 8 and it's 6 in the morning right now, but it gets so packed that you have to be there early just to get out of there quick. And because of the Rona, it makes things very difficult. The line gets longer because of all the precautions, so it's like going to the DMV while it's on crack. That's why I'm going 2 hours early. I have to get there early, try to get a permit to move my car so I could try to get it fixed to pass smog because my tags are expired. So I just figured, why not make a video about this to show you guys how hard it is to get your car ready for smog and how bad it is to fix the car. For some reason, the DMV has hold of my tags and is not gonna let them go unless I pass smog the legit way. So now the journey starts, guys. Now the fun begins. I have to go around and piece parts together that I didn't have. Luckily, some of the few friends that I have made from Instagram have given me advice on what they went through, what to expect. Some people even hooked me up with parts. So it's not gonna be so easy as you might expect, as just bolting some parts on. Like I said, I bought this car modified and I don't own the original parts. I didn't know that it was tuned. When I asked the dealership that sold me the car if it was tuned, they told me it wasn't. And to be honest, I didn't think a dealership could sell a car that was tuned. I figured they had to pass smog to sell the car and have it up to standards, but they actually don't have to, guys. You could actually buy a car that's tuned and they don't have to have it up to state standards. So like I said, now is when the fun begins, and I'll update you guys to see if I could get this permit or not. I'll be with you guys later on today as well. I have a appointment at a Ford dealership so I could get my ECU flashed back to the stock tune, and they're actually gonna be nice enough to give me a visual inspection to see what exactly I need to take off or put on to pass smog. So hopefully they give me good news and it's not too much. I'm still on the stock blower. I do have a smaller pulley and I've been trying to get a stock pulley, but it's hard to find a stock pulley, I guess. Either people get rid of them or they're just not selling them. All right, guys, so I just got done at the DMV. It was a lot worse than I expected, actually. Not because of the line or anything, that I expected already. When I got there, like I told you guys, I was really early. The line wrapped around the building, halfway around the building. So right now it's 15 minutes till 9, and I got there right when, like I said, 6 in the morning. So yeah, that took a while, but I have bad news. They actually couldn't give me a permit, a month permit. They actually only gave me a day permit. So they gave me 2 slips, and I'm able to write down what day I'm moving the car. So pretty much I have 2 days to move the car. One of them is gonna be used today for my tune at Ford. But fuck that shit. I'm just gonna use pencil. Write down the date in pencil. If I get pulled over, then they'll see the date. If I don't get pulled over, I'll just erase it and use it next time I have to take it to the shop. So I have 2 forms. I'll use pencil, and we'll handle it that way. So right now I'm on my way to pick up the Mustang and go to Ford and get my tune back. Alright guys, another update for today. It's about the end of the day now. It's like 7 p.m. here in California. I just made another run. So the last time I left off, I took the car to Ford to get reflashed for the stock tune so I could pass smog. Now actually one of my friends that I met on Instagram, so shout out to my boy that I met on Instagram. He's another Cobra owner, same color as mine, black and silver Cobra convertible here in San Jose. He had a stock exhaust laying around from his car, and I told him about my situation. He was cool enough to sell me his stock exhaust he had laying around. He didn't have a need for it, so I just went and bought it from him. All right everybody, so we're back in the garage already. It's been a couple days since you guys last saw an update. As you could see, I got the Mustang back from Ford, and so right now I believe all we need is actually the exhaust to be installed. So that's what I'm working on right now, but I just want to update you guys on a few things. So Ford did a little inspection, visual inspection, let me know if my car was going to pass smog or not. One of the things they pointed out was that I had a JLT cold air intake, and they said that was going to fail smog unless I get the EO number, which is a sticker saying that that part is carb legal in California, and to be able to pass smog you need that sticker from JLT inside your engine bay. And obviously that part was already purchased, and that wasn't a part purchased by me. So the great people at JLT, I contacted them, sent them an email, let them know my situation. They said, just send us a picture of the part in your car and we'll send you out the number. So I sent a picture of I did them a better one actually. I sent them a link to my YouTube channel when I did a walk around in my car, and told them on minute 8 I actually go over that part and point out the JLT intake. The guy saw it. He said that works for him. He sent me out my EO sticker, and it came in like 3 days. This was on a Friday, and now it's on Tuesday it got here, so not including the weekend. It came in on 3 business days. So that was one of the best customer service experience that I've ever had. So shout out to the guys at JLT. And so if you guys are in the same predicament, don't worry, JLT has stickers for you. If you're in California, that's going to help you pass smog. And another thing is, Ford told me that they could have fixed that for me, that they'll give me a carb legal air intake, and they'll charge me $770 including the install. Like, air intake is one of the easiest things you can do, especially in this car, and they're quoting me $770. If you buy any JLT air intake, it's going to cost you around $300, less than $300, and it comes with a EO number already. So why would I pay Ford $770, almost $800, guys, just for a cold air intake? Or maybe, who knows what they would have put in, maybe a fucking K&N intake or something. Not to say K&N has bad products, but come on, man. That's really upcharging for no reason. I also had a couple people tell me that they had to go get their Mustang flashed by Ford as well, and that there was mistakes made, that they didn't flash the car right, that they didn't do it at all. that they just charged them, gave the car back, and then they had to bring their car back and get it reflashed and got charged an additional fee. So that's the only thing that scares me right now. I don't know if they actually did anything. I'm gonna put in the stock exhaust, and that's all I can do. Take it to the smog shop. If it fails, then I guess I have to go back to Ford and get it reflashed. If it doesn't, then it should pass. So fingers crossed this is the last step. I'm gonna knock this project out. It's already on jack stands. I just need to remove the exhaust, and yeah, we'll go from there. I'll keep you guys updated when the car's smogged, and we'll do a sound test, I guess, of the stock exhaust. I've never heard the stock exhaust. I've only ever had the Borla attack, so why not? Let's do a sound test when I'm done.
I'm just all about this money, I don't think about no thought. Girl, you don't know about me, so get off my fucking D. Born and raised in the dot, this is real as you gon' see. Girl, you don't know about me, so get off my fucking D.